Hi, I am Pez, your tech helper. I am glad you are here. If passwords feel confusing, frustrating, or stressful, you're not alone. A lot of people feel that way. And today, we're going to make passwords feel simple and manageable. Let's start with the basics. A password is just a secret word or phrase. That's it. It's like a key to your house. If you have the key, you can get in. If you don't, you can't. Passwords help protect the things you care about. They protect your email. They protect your photos. They protect your accounts and personal information. Passwords are not there to make your life harder. They are there to help keep your information safe. Now here's something very important to know. You do not need a lot of passwords. And you do not need to remember dozens of complicated ones. Most people only need a few important passwords. For example, your email password is very important. Your bank password is important. Other accounts can be simpler. You don't need to overthink this. For example, your email password is very important. Your bank password is important. Other accounts can be simpler. Let's talk about making a password that is strong but still easy to remember. A strong password does not mean a confusing password. It just means using something personal that makes sense to you. Try using a word you remember easily, plus a number and/or, plus a symbol. That's it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be something you can remember. Now let's talk about something many people ask about. Is it okay to write passwords down? Yes. For many people, writing passwords down is completely okay. If you do this, use a small notebook. Keep it somewhere private. Don't leave it out in the open. And don't store passwords on sticky notes on your computer screen. A notebook you keep safe is often much better than trying to remember everything. Another key thing to remember: everyone forgets passwords. Everyone, even people who work with computers every day. In fact, password resets are the most common help desk support request. So, forgetting a password does not mean you did something wrong. Resetting a password is normal. It's part of how technology works. If you ever feel stuck, it's okay to ask for help. You can ask a family member. You can ask a trusted friend. You are never expected to figure everything out on your own. And remember this above all else: you are in control. You can take your time. You don't need to rush. You can change passwords later if you need to. Here are some simple password rules. Keep it private. Always keep passwords to yourself. Write it safely. Use a secure place for your password note. Use a secure place for your password note. Don't share. Never give a password to anyone else. So always remember this: you're not behind in using a computer. You're not too late, and you're not bad at doing this. So remember, you've got this. And Pez-Tech, your tech-savvy chihuahua, is always here to help you. If you can, on this video, click the thumbs up or like button and the subscribe button. This is a free service, nothing to cancel or anything like that. When you subscribe and activate the bell by clicking that as well, you will be notified when we post more videos like this one. Thanks, and have a great day.